Planogram Builder Tutorial 8, Exporting the Database. In this tutorial, we will explain how to export your database to your computer. Exporting the database creates local backups of your data which you can restore if necessary. We therefore strongly advise exporting your database on a regular basis. The exported database can also serve as a template for batch importing items in the database. There are two commands to export the database. Export list saves the list of all your products, accessories, as well as your custom room elements, bay components and materials if you have any. Export list plus images does the same and also saves all the images used by your items, in the same format as they were originally uploaded. To create a full export, click on Export List plus Images. Select an empty folder on your PC, type a file name and save the file. The first file to be exported is the listing of items in Excel format, which is very fast to download, then the images which can take a while. Wait for all the files to be downloaded onto your computer. Open Windows File Explorer and find the folder where you saved the Excel file. You can see an Excel file plus a folder named Images that has been automatically created. Open the folder named Images to see that it contains all the pictures you used in the previous tutorials. Now go back to the parent folder and open the Excel file. Each row contains one item with all its properties in the corresponding columns, such as reference, name, behavior, image 1, etc. Make sure to keep the Excel file and the images in case you need to restore your database later. We will also be using it as a basis to import more items in the database in the next tutorial. Please consult the links under the video for detailed instructions in the user guide. This tutorial is now finished.